files of the SSOB.
What'd you forget? Oh my God, you're not my son. Who are you?
You.
What you doing?
I'm just writing our last case into my journal.
Listen, we've been getting some strange reports in this area, and I think we should go and investigate.
Well, there's got to be a scientific explanation about it.
Moldy speaking. Yeah, boss. We were just talking about it. Okay. Listen, we got a case. Let's go.
Okay.
Well, Scuzzy, we'll start here, and then we'll move on down. Okay. I'm Agent Moldy.
And I'm Agent Scuzzy.
We're from the SSOB. We'd like to ask you a few questions about the strange happenings in this area.
Well, I tell you what, man, I don't know. I seen that thing come flying over there, and if something crashed down in the backyard, and there's a blue little guy can run around, little alien thing, changing people. I tell you what, I don't know, man.
So you didn't see anything?
Angela, come on, it's time to come in the house now.
Well, that guy didn't know anything. Let's move on to the next neighbor.
I'm Moldy.
And I'm Agent Scuzzy.
We're from the SSOB. We'd like to ask you a few questions about the strange happenings in this area.
Strange happenings? What are you talking about?
Have you seen any falling objects from the sky? Anything zoom past you?
What do you mean, like UFOs or something?
Well, I guess. That's what we want to find out.
Well, I tell you what, you boys ought to get yourself a real job. Like me, look at me, I sell propane and propane accessories to the people of this community, and I serve them well. And you guys go around harassing people, causing trouble, talking about UFOs and aliens. And I tell you what, there ain't no such things as UFOs and aliens, so get off my property. Get the hell out of here.
guess he didn't see anything either.
I guess you're right. Ow, man.
Hi, we're from the SSOB. We heard you called about a strange encounter.
Right. There was a thing that came in my house and made this weird noise, and he looked just like my son. And then he just changed before my eyes and looked like me, and then he ran out.
So, thank you for your information. We'll get in touch.
Okay.
That's a good idea. Let's split up.
Yeah,
A couple more rounds.
no, that is a pretty good idea.
Man, I can't believe people litter here. Oh! What are you doing? Come around here.
Sorry, I didn't know you
In my house.
Sorry, I didn't know you were there.
Come kick your house.
Sorry, I didn't know you were there. I'm from the SSOB. Have you seen anything flying in the sky? Anything unusual?
I've seen some of that, not sit here. Sky flying trash can coming out of the sky. Matter of fact, it's crashed right over there. Oh man, strange, crazy stuff. Yeah, I tell you what. Yeah.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Yeah,
Didn't mean to slow you.
no problem. I used to be in SSOB. I was way up there, man. Probably better than you. They didn't like me, so they kicked me out. And, I'll tell you what, it's a rip off. I tell you what.
So, did you find anything?
No, I didn't find a single thing. How about you?
I found a couple crazy people.
What's up, though? Hey, boss. No, we ain't finding much. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Wait, I think we got a clue. There it is! There it is! Go! Something up here!
Where'd she go?
You mean it, don't ya?
Yeah,